Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we unveil the ultimate guide to the best brake pads for Harley Davidson, enhancing your riding experience and safety. Let's explore the top choices for your beloved Harley. Number 1. Rev up your Harley with EBC's EBPC K1027 brake pads. Unleash the true power of your truck with these exceptional brake pads, tailor-made for Harley Davidson enthusiasts. Experience unmatched stopping performance and reliability, allowing you to hit the road with confidence and control. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating tough terrains, EBC has you covered. Upgrade your ride today and feel the difference firsthand. Number 2. ECCP delivers unparalleled stopping power. Their top-notch truck brake pads are a perfect match for Harley Davidson enthusiasts. Experience smooth and reliable braking like never before. ECCP's attention to detail ensures maximum safety and durability. Whether on the highway or in rough terrain, these brake pads won't let you down. Upgrade your ride with ECCP. Your Harley deserves the best. Hit the brakes on doubts and embrace confidence with ECCP. Number 3. Introducing Zinger. Unleash the beast in your Harley Davidson. Rocket rev up your ride with Zinger brake pads, the ultimate upgrade for truck enthusiasts. Articulated lorry dashing away, these pads mean serious business, delivering unparalleled stopping power and precision performance. Feel the rush as you conquer every road with confidence. Say goodbye to brake fade and hello to enhanced safety. Shield 100-point Zinger brake pads, your Harley's new best friend on the road. Motorcycle OK hand. Number 4. Salido brake pads. Unleash the power of your Harley Davidson. Rocket fire rev up your ride with these exceptional truck brake pads, tailor-made for Harley Davidson enthusiasts. Experience unrivaled braking performance and precision, ensuring a safe and thrilling journey every time. From smooth stops to intense maneuvers, Salido has your back. Upgrade your braking game and ride with confidence. Don't settle for ordinary, embrace the extraordinary with Salido brake pads. Motorcycle dashing away. Number 5. AHL brake pads. Unleash the roar of your Harley Davidson. Motorcycle fire rev up your riding experience with AHL's top-notch truck brake pads, tailor-made for Harley Davidson enthusiasts. These pads provide unparalleled stopping power and exceptional durability, ensuring a smooth and safe journey every time. Say goodbye to worries and embrace the road with confidence. AHL's brake pads are the ultimate choice for your Harley Davidson, making each ride a thrilling adventure. Motorway dashing away. In conclusion, after exploring various options, we've narrowed down the top contenders for the best brake pads for Harley Davidson motorcycles. Whether you prioritize performance, durability, or budget friendliness, there's a suitable choice for everyone. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for more information and to find the perfect fit for your ride. Thanks for watching.